Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. In this video, I'll guide you through transferring Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet, like Binance, KuCoin, or Coinbase. First, log into your Kraken account and tap on Transfer, then choose Withdraw, select Bitcoin as your asset, and for the network, choose either Bitcoin or Lightning. Just make sure the receiving exchange supports the same network, or your funds could be lost. Now click Add New Withdrawal Addresses or address, enter a name for it, like Coinbase BTC, and then head over to your other exchange to grab your receiving Bitcoin address. Copy and paste that into Kraken, add it, confirm the address via the email Kraken sends you. Once confirmed, go back, select the save address, enter the withdrawal amount, and tap Withdraw Bitcoin. That's it. Your Bitcoin is now on its way to the selected exchange wallet. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.